possible to work with the Miss Grand International organization. They only care about money. Like,
I kick you out. We are terminate you. You will never beautiful from inside.
Bakit biglang niligwak si Rachel Gupta as Miss Grand International 2024? Kaya kukunin natin yung summary from Rachel's side at yung side ni Nawat from Miss Grand International Organization. Nagulantang ang lahat ng mga pageant community nang magbigay ng statement ang Miss Grand International Organization na tinatanggal na nila si Rachel Gupta as the reigning Miss Grand International winner noong 2024. So ang mga kabaklaan, tinignan nila yung page ni Miss Grand International Queen na si Rachel Gupta at nagbigay siya ng statement na officially she is now stepping down as the reigning queen. Pinanood ko yung live statement ni Rachel and mukhang ang dami niyang pointers na naguluhan tayong lahat. Tapos sinamarize pa nga ng Missology pero ang haba pa rin. Pero iisa lang ang meaning niyan. Laki sa yaman kasi at mukhang elitista family si Rachel. Kaya nung nanalo siya, hindi niya ina-expect na overwhelming pala ang roles and responsibilities ng pagiging Miss Grand International. So hindi niya ina-expect na ganito pala ang gagawin. So lumabas yung pagka-prinsesa niya. So etong pag-uugaling ito, hindi nagustuhan ng Miss Grand International Organization.
We are terminate you. We terminate you first. I kick you out. You never beautiful from inside. Coming to sue me, please. Oh, she thinks she's so famous. It's very difficult to find anything to you. But you complain a lot. And you complain my organization. You make a problem. A lot. I will sharing all the message to you, okay?
At naglabas na nga ng mga resibo si Nawat at mahirap kalabanin ang mga maraming resibo. So I think dito talaga napuno ang MGI pati na rin si Nawat noong pupunta sana sila doon sa Guatemala na mukhang hindi na talaga sila magkasundo ni Rachel, no? And doon din sa Czech Republic. So mukhang hindi na naman sila nagkasundo pero hinayaan na lang nila doon. And marami pa tungkol sa financial kineme, yung cash prize, kung ano-ano na lang na complaints, no? So, hindi talaga sila nagkakasundo. Tapos, mukhang nagkaroon na talaga sila ng meeting to deliberate whether or not to retain, pagbigyan, o kaya i-let go na lang si Rachel. At nakapag-decide na sila na i-let go na nga si Rachel kasi mukhang hindi na talaga sila nagkakasundo. However, mukhang hindi talaga inaasahan ni Rachel Gupta yung lawak ng responsibilidad ng isang pagiging international beauty queen. Parang this is the opposite kung ano yung naging lifestyle niya as a living luxurious na woman.